My name is Ryan. We are from Motoring Trends, and we have Sunjay Kapur with us from ACMA. He is the president of ACMA and Sona Comstar. So what I'd like to ask you, sir, is how has digitization affected the industry?
So digitization has been an opportunity for the industry. The fact that when the pandemic came in, we digitized so rapidly, something that we would have taken much longer to do, we've done it in a much shorter period of time. Digitization is going to definitely impact the industry in a positive way, even in terms of manufacturing. When you look at Industry 4.0, when you look at solutions like smart manufacturing, these are all based on digitization, and the fact that we've been able to adopt and adapt so easily and so quickly in the pandemic, we will see this only increase with the infrastructure build out that supports digitization in terms of bandwidth, etc. And once the government helps with the infrastructure development around this, and private sector also makes the investments required to digitize, we're going to see a much quicker digitization of the industry, of manufacturing industry, which is definitely going to be a definite benefit for the industry as a whole.
Right. So what I would like to ask you one more question is that EVs are booming, right? Mm-hmm. And then what about alternative fuels? What are we doing towards, how are we pushing towards it? How is the government helping?
Yeah, so I think the government's very proactive in making sure that we are a sustainable environment. The Prime Minister has set out a five-prong agenda at the COP26 meeting or at the summit in Glasgow to look at renewable energies. As an industry, we're working closely. We have great support from the Ministry of Heavy Industries. We're thankful for the work that they do with us and the encouragement that they give the industry, and we're working together to see how we can build a sustainable India, in a sustainable world eventually, and we'll do whatever it takes in terms of investments in technologies so that we can build a sustainable environment.
So final question would be, what future opportunities are you seeing in terms of tech?
So if you look at the industry in terms of disruption, we call it CASE, we call it connectivity, autonomous, shared and electrified. So we see opportunities in all these. You see opportunities in connectivity, you'll see telematics, you'll see all kinds of connectivity as a vehicle becomes smarter. You'll see opportunities in autonomous, and when you see autonomous, level 5 is really driverless, but level 1, 2 and 3 can be achieved in India even now. So we can see great opportunities in autonomous. You'll see opportunities in shared mobility as well as electrification, which we've already talked about. So the opportunities are abundant, not just from the component sector, but also in the ecosystem of what comes next in terms of where the industry is headed.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.